Have you ever held back a sneeze? Bad idea. Very bad. When you sneeze, air flies out at a speed of up to 160 kilometers per hour. Now imagine that you hold this inside your head. A guy in London broke his throat. Another guy in India burst his lung. All from one sneeze. A restrained sneeze can rupture blood vessels in the eyes, cause a ruptured eardrum, and even puncture the throat. If you want to be polite, sneeze into your elbow, but don't keep in yourself. Neither emotions nor mucus. Subscribe to avoid being overwhelmed by interesting facts.